Hello. Ito, tasagay ko ni
Ano itong intro? Safari.
Hello everyone. 7:30 ang ako na eh. Ano pa ni ko?
Tawad mo pressure, saka tapos na ko.
Ako man, tapos na kami.
Hindi ako mag-make-up. Hindi ako mag-kaon. Kako na lang.
Galawig pag itong mo kaon sa drama.
Shh! Concentrate.
Safari day!
Hi guys! Our day starts now. Mahalin pala kami sa balay. Target was supposed to be 7:30 a.m. kami mahalin. But right now, it's 8:17. Bye! Arn na kami, na-pick up na naman si Nash. Wala ko ka-video sa Casamira. Gapang libak sila, so see you naman sa next nga pagbukas ko sa camera. Bye! Hello guys! Are kami right now sa lapit sa Puente. Nagpaon na ka-camera ka, wala na sila gapang libak. Marina, goodbye!
I don't like that. There are too many. Just go for it.
Gagamoy!
Sana na maubos?
What the
Hindi na
fuck?
maubos.
Guys, oh my god! Hi guys! Are na kami somewhere sa Mandaue. See you sa next na part.
Wala na ako kapangi. Wala pa ako dito.
Hi guys! Are na kami sa Liloan. Bye! Yeah! Layo, wait lang. Our home, Compostela. So wala ko naka-transition video pag ito. Pero ngayon, binabawi ko na. Stupid love! May matabok. See you sa next part. Hi guys, are na kami sa Danau.
Del Sur. Sakit ako no.
See you sa Carmen! Apakaganda, apakaganda.
Sidla? Oh, may knowledge.
Makdo. We are almost there. Almost there.
I'm a bukid person.
Fuck you!
Kuya.
We are here sa Carmen and we are 9 kilometers away from Cebu Safari. Welcome to Carmen! See you in a while sa Unhan.
Sabi ko na kung may nagbungka na.
Go into the woods! Into the woods!
Ay, kita sa buong inside Yan's car on the way to Cebu Safari.
Ay! Oh, thick.
Morning, ma'am.
Head count, sir, pila ka po?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, ma'am.
8. Sige, straight down, right up ka, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Straight down, right up.
Guys, we're here.
Hi guys! We are here sa Safari na and mabay kami ticket for ourselves.
Thank you. Hi na.
Hi po.
Hi guys, we're here na.
Yes guys, I'm also with the mic. Hindi kita si Janjan, wait lang.
Guys, overly excited si Jenny.
Yay! Guys, it's me! It's exciting. According to the maps, we are going first sa base camp.
So guys, hindi na muna siya upod. Base camp.
Oh my God.
Mangita ka gamo kung pwede mo likawan.
Balikid.
Tanan ganyan, nagpisik yung ulo naman. We were scared for your life.
Mga ibon. A safari
Narnia.
aviary.
tila ibon kung lumipad.
Position.
From what?
Look guys, it's a rainbow chicken.
May gaga, may gamana mo na agad man? Oo. Ano na nga, pispin? Isang sound.
Guys, pis-pis ni Kagahon. Hello. Why are you hiding?
Ginawa yung umbrella.
Gani, di ba? I don't.
May wallaby.
No siya.
Wallaby.
Ato sa dalo mo? Ato sa dalo mo?
Puta, gasing sila diin.
Ato sa dalo mo nga kaya-kaya oh.
Aba.
Sa kahoy.
Tututu. It's a big one.
They are not visibility
One oh.
under the tree.
Under the tree.
So guys, hindi visible from here ang wala babies. So guys, here we have field spotted deer, brown deer, Swiss versus beer.
Blue Indian peafowl. Peacock.
Help
Oh my God. Deer. It's a Visayan spotted deer.
Why does the deer meow? Hala, dako.
Hala, may peacock na dako-dako.
I do not want to go near that thing. Gamiting dan siya.
Are we really allowed to go here that close?
Sila sabong.
Gamiting dan siya. May bayi sa tubang niya.
Wow.
Do you want this?
Have you ever tried this?
Do you want this?
Lalaki yan.
Let's go, man. Ginahara na ya.
Yung malaki yung gano'n, lalaki.
Let's go, man.
Let's go.
My
man. Everybody wanna steal my girl.
Everybody wanna take her heart away.
Covered.
Couple million in the
Oh,
world.
oh, oh,
Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so
You're
nice.
so pretty.
Liso,
Fuck
bakit
her,
isa pa
fuck
man?
her.
Itong bayo, gaga. Sorry.
mapuli, lagid man ko sa
Fuck her, fuck her, fuck her.
Yay!
Slayer, ang ganda mo kayo. Ay, gwapo gali, lalaki
Feel ko crush ng bayan na siya.
Wow.
Gwapo ko, no?
That's the first
Boy, hindi na magduwa-duwa. Boy, kupahina na, boy.
Boy, di kita kasi. Ay,
Nash, maguba ilang nga meeting dance.
Na-entice pa ng babae. May na-feel na siya nga something. Na-check ya.
So,
Right now, we're witnessing big hawks in the natural habitat. Calling to a partner.
Para may bayi nga tao.
Pwede dito ka naman magtingin.
Talagi naman ako na ibuli sa bayi.
So pretty. Dinagyang.
Ayun. Fuck her,
Nagutot na
fuck
sila?
her.
Di puta. Nagano ka mo? Nag-date man ka mo ah.
Excuse me. Wow. Interesting. Pila ka to.
Insta 360. Cool.
Girl ko, ano na sa girl? Ano ka, ma'am?
Girl, I'm giving you some advice.
Ay, may
Take it or
watch
leave
gali sa
it.
likod.
That's once in a lifetime opportunity, girly
Gago,
girl.
may bata. Gali, di na po gasing-git-singit. Fuck her.
Ay, ala si girl na lagyo.
Ang fire ko isa lang ka
Hindi
video.
nakat di para ma-entice siya sino.
Kalain batasan. I think he's not the right man for you.
Sige lang, girl. Okay lang
I
na.
think
Dabo
you
pa din.
should try to reconsider some other options.
Ang ila is there's so many birds in the forest.
Forens. Cock.
Can you fly?
Oh my God, you're moving. Oh my God, you're moving. Eh, kundi wala
It
kang
went
maganda
boing. It's a deer.
Ang putay. Deer.
Dear child.
Deer.
Hello, dear.
Masyagan mo, Pokemon ba? Deer.
So right now, we are going to the tiger. Tiger turf. Ano sound song tiger? Turf. Hambanin.
damo gumamelo.
Burmese. Burmese. Bar. Brr, Miss Brr. Where are you? Oh, you're there. You're sleeping.
Cebu. I love Cebu. Are there gazelles?
No.
Ah.
Tigre ng Northern.
Hey.
Fuck.
You're so pretty.
Wow. Yeah.
Tigre
The
ng
tiger is awake. Feel mo doon nakita, yaman tanga do yami, tama ka man di siya. Roar, roar, roar!
Bite nila, no?
So over here, there's a black buck. Pero hindi man sila black. Black.
Wala.
I see Arnold.
Roar! And there's ice cream. Pagtup 150.
Ali din sa ka microphone sa kon. Pakyu jing.
They are called Panthera tigris. It's just a random thing there.
Are you videoing? Yes. So today we are here at the Tiger's Lounge. As you can see, it's licking something. I bet that tastes like steak.
Steak. Sila, moment sila.
Panther. Abi ko panda. Hi guys. Hambal ni Jello sa kun may llama over there, but there was no
Si Pipa, may
llama.
muna man.
There is
It's
no
for
llama.
protection.
Even one, wala.
Oh, it's gonna spray.
What? What? Ang wala sila mangingi?
I'm
Yeah,
here
it's
back
territory
at
marking.
the tiger seeing. The other tiger moved man.
Yung iihi.
sprayed this
That's how they pee?
The scientists at work. Kaano no, dapat very extrovert ka. Imo nga table ginabutang sa tubang ka window.
What?
Alamig. Ari ka naman de.
Si OA.
You're ugly.
Pwede kay ga form pa lang siya.
Na gusto niya mag-interact.
Basta may banding. Nakapicture ka na sila. Hello! I like to move it. I like to move it.
King Julian.
Hoy!
Oh, here ano.
Kalabas sila buli. May almorana.
Hala, raw, gasaka siya sa iyang tray.
Sorry. Heart ilabuli. Abi ako mati.
Ato, kapag kita sa isang buli yun.
Hello guys. Is this working na?
Yes, it's recording.
Am I being seen? Is this 360? So as you can see, we're now here sa mga unggoy. And if you are someone who believes that we came from monkeys, apes, apes galing correct ko. Therefore, you are an atheist. Because you don't believe in God, you believe that we came from apes.
No, they are called atheists.
Right? Because you're an atheist, you believe that we came from the apes.
I got one.
Am I right?
Critically endangered.
Yes, that's right. Distribution: 2 islands in Indonesia, northeastern Sulawesi and Bacan. Then why are you here? May ara pa dito. Mga ano naman, orangutan. Ano tawag sa kanila?
May orangutan.
Dito. So, we're going now po sa mga orangutan. And gusto po namin makita kung paano sila mag-behave as an animal. And we should compare them to other animals and how they behave.
Hi guys. We're going to the orangutan viewing area. This is the viewing area.
Oh my god, they're so big. They are big.
Nag-prepare ka talaga para sa umakakita ng panda. Stop recording. What are you feeling now?
I'm feeling happy because I see orangutan.
What are you feeling?
Wow!
Are you happy?
There.
Ah.
The mother and the son. Bala. Sige, So now we're going next na po sa ating nga stop. I don't know where, but we're going somewhere.
Where art thou going?
One lane.
Oh, yeah, siguro.
Hi guys! Right now, we are here at the outpost eating our lunch. For the price, it's okay man. Pero, syempre our boys still manage to have extra rice because it's not that much para sa ila.
So guys, here we are right now sa mga graph. That one is a bar graph.
Gaga. Hi graph! Gin snob.
Hi, giraffe.
Ginamumulya ang pagkain.
Malain buot.
Diado mo na siya.
Isa pa. Isa pa.
So ano yung mas mahaba, yung leeg ng graph or kay Spencer?
The giraffe, sorry. After seeing yours, ako na lang maambal. It's the giraffe, I'm sorry. I have been traumatized so much after seeing that photo. Hi guys, so right now we are here at the giraffe and as you can see, the giraffe is eating right now. It's meal time because it's already 12:30 and you know, in Cebu Safari Park, we maintain that the animals should not be hungered because we maintain a lifestyle that is healthy for both the humans that are passing by and the animals as well. So we can see that we have a big giraffe here and a small giraffe over there.
And a smaller one over there.
And a very small one on the other side of the barricade. So if you would like to walk through here, there's a passage.
Hala, naghapa ang baby graph.
The baby giraffe just went down. Did he bend his knees? Oh, they don't do that. Oh.
So, baka ka bata. So guys, we're now walking.
We're walking.
Hi,
Sit.
360 view. Ano to?
You haven't heard of that song?
Ano?
We're walking. Sit.
Walking.
We're walking. Sit. Good job, everyone.
We're walking.
We're walking. Sit.
Talaga po yun, si Jerome.
Uy, Jerome.
Stripped hyena.
Stripped. Alara, pagit sila oh.
Amo nakita ko sa coloring book, hindi mo to, that brown.
Ah. Di po tabi ko ni Jerome. Promise.
Asa man si Adlaw ako
Of
si
course,
Juliana
it's
Kakadlaw.
internet meal. Act shock. Act shock.
Kagat ko.
Stoy. Tarong ba?
Ami.
Di puta si Jerome katumbo-tumbo sa likod. Pants next picture with a giraffe.
Graph.
Graph.
House ang museo.
Try na gid ang atakon Titania no.
Kapsa ka gibutang sa ba mo. Hindi ako.
Oh.
Gagawa na na.
Hoy! King of the jungle. Oh! Hoy, do not tap the glass. Meow!
Kung mabatian nyo na sa camera, that was the serval.
Meow!
Wild serval.
Meow!
Na amo na siyang serval, ang gina-pick up sang microphone.
My baby!
Lapit, Justin. Ano ang ilong ko da?
They are solitary.
Solitary! Di ng miniature horse nga.
Pag-ahod sang serval guys, so pati yun ng camera.
May tortoise sa other side.
Ordo.
Si Kelly!
Gaano ka? Ginapakris ka. Ano ka? Talaga gusto mo.
Oo, crocodiles daw.
Monkey!
I'm not here.
Julia, na dito ka tupad.
Hindi na lang ako.
Delo, dili ka man. Just lang kay Canada. Uy, abi ko mapapicture si Jello.
Ang mapapicture si Jello.
Right ka na, Kon.
Bombardiro, crocodilo. Crocodile is natural habitat.
The Philippine government is composed of 12 senators.
Before siya gindala diri, halina siya sa Senate.
Madagdag
Dalom.
kanon yun na, Jing.
I don't think they like the taste of technology.
So fucking big.
Ay, why siya naliguan? Ang galumot siya.
Di po, sino mapaligo sa buhaya? So guys, ga-photoshoot pa to sila. Wala sila da.
Aww, cute sang otters.
Unsa na, Leary?
Hindi ka manaog para mapakaon ka. Hindi ko yung ibuwis buhay ko. Mapakaon. Hindi, ikaw ang mapakaon. Ikaw ma-feed. So this is how
Efficacent
efficient oil made from crocodile water.
Guys, tapos na kami. Mabalik na kami sa Iloilo.
So we are off to see the birdies. We are here.
Donkey! Donkey!
Donkey!
Donkey! Donkey! Patakunda ko, balik donkey.
Paano ka niya kalakat? Donkey smell. Bigla ko sa manihaw doon ba? Tangkal.
Donkey! Donkey. Asa ta?
Asa na lingkod ang di Jenny?
Abi namon gasunod, gamo gipwestuhan namon sa tubang may gasunod nga lain nga tawo, wala na bangko.
Aww.
Sa medal.
See, you made Jenny angry.
Hi guys, ari kami subong sa Safari Stadium. Kaya gamulat kami isang bird show nga mag-start 1:45. Kami lang diri.
Okay, be right back.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show. Hi, Miss Donna. Good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm great.
That's good to hear. Now, Miss Donna, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
Wow, South America. Listen to your name, Sunny. Now, Sunny loves money. Normally in the wild, they love to pick up
Pera.
things and build their nest. Now, let's see what Sunny will do.
Oh! Kulang.
Okay, so Sunny flies all the way. Now, Sunny, can you come back here, please?
Sunggod.
Okay, so we have here
Ako si San.
Sunny's friend. So Sunny flies all the way and picks up a 500 peso bill. So bye-bye Sunny and friend, and bye-bye 500 pesos. Now we have a total of 6 loyal flying macaws named Harry, Harvey, Matt, Somi, Pai, and Car. The Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. Nice catch, Hunter. Another Brahmini kite named Cloud. Now, formerly known as Redback Sea Eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Banog in Bisaya and Lawing in Tagalog. White-bellied sea eagle named Silver. eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. Provide them with safer habitats and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. It's even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, my name is Dustin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the wild.
Hello, hello.
Ariga po na ako sa ko ng isa ka mic. Gawa kasi yan yan. Kaya kung kasabay kami hambal.
I want to make Simba.
Oh, you want to mate Simba?
Ano ganyan ang entrance?
Why? What's wrong?
Oh, there's so many people.
What's that? Lima.
So, nakasakay na unta ni. Kaso si Jel, ayan.
Wala na gel, too late.
Gan bayaan na ta.
Ma-white. Bauta na.
Cebu Safari. Kanyang may cage ba?
White tiger na to yan.
Hindi, ari sa map nila.
Can we stop fighting, please?
We're not fighting.
Oh no, we're not fighting.
Round 1.
Would you like us to? Bugtaw.
Passenger princess pa rin hanggang dulo.
Lonely na.
Nag-pole dancing saya. Nag-pole dancing saya. Nag-pole dancing si Jerome.
Can we see it again?
No.
Maybe later, I'll show you.
I can assure you.
For only $20.
That's so expensive. Never mind.
We are off to see the white lion.
So cute.
My father.
It's your father.
Yeah, it's
Aww.
It's very steep. The way up is very steep. I do not think this complies with the DPWH handbook.
I just don't understand the thing.
This does not comply with the DPWH handbook.
I agree.
Pwede na pa bumaba?
Ay.
Pwede na po bumaba. Ay, sorry.
Oh, yeah. Pwede na bumaba. Yeah. Thank you, yeah.
Naka-ground burn is tayo po.
Asa? Ay, gago.
Thank you.
Kauban mo?
Makasugod
Ikaw na
na
lang sila.
ganisa sa aton. English na tanan.
Ano ang masasabi mo sa so far sa Cebu
Yeah, I know.
Safari?
Safari.
Cebu Safari.
Don't make it sing.
Cebu.
A safari.
And we are from Gimera!
Ay, Jack.
Naka-uniform sila. Dapat nag-uniform.
Gumayon ako sa ila.
Sayonara.
Hey, sugid-sugid. Hindi ko ipapaya nga nagsayonara ako siya.
So ano po yung kasalanan niyo?
So right now, we are riding the roller coaster of Cebu Safari Park. We are turning to our left, forward.
I've always wanted a brother.
I've always wanted a brother. Why are you sleeping? Wake up! It's the first of the month.
Okay, so their names are Max, Jack, and Bugoy. They were bred and raised in captivity from France, but they originated in South Africa.
Take your seat. Shto, hindi ka konduktor po ko.
So those are the lions. Thank you. Ay puta. Kaya gusto po.
Go, go.
Rom.
po, for camel, dito na po.
The tram's here. The tram's here.
Pati ikaw
The camel is back here.
Oh my God, camel, kuya.
Malungkot.
What if this song was in Tagalog?
We are off to see camels.
They're not in a desert!
Camel.
Ay, tita!
Kita ay liwat.
Kami naman mabalong.
Sa Peyu. Sa Peyo.
Bye. Hello.
Oh my God, good job.
Humps. Humps.
Flamingos!
Yan kabulong ako na.
Flammies.
Ito nga leader sa muna.
Why are you so close? You can stand there.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Birds of a feather, we should stick together alone and say never. I see.
Can you hold me? Everything.
Do si Naikay?
Ew, it's an iguana.
Okay lang, nag-i-enjoy ka pa rin ba?
Nara ka lang ba yan?
Pete.
Sili kayo nun. Eh? Pagaling ka, ma'am. Same. Ilonggo
Uy, may
gali.
FOMO ko. Anong ginatusturyan niyo?
Ilonggo gali. Si
Yung Tagalog, tapak ka.
Thank you.
It's the peach
Paano lang yung gibila?
buds.
What are you? What are you?
I don't know.
Kahulagan sila.
There's a chicken! Thank you! Goodbye, my friend!
Dari ko dapat makuha siya.
Masigs ng ulo ni Jerome.
Oh my God, Jan! Oh my God, Jan! Balikin! Juliana! Yan! Juliana! It's not going off.
You don't like birds?
I'm scared. It's directly to my head. Oh my God. Hingkit-kit niya ako. No, Justin! Balikid! Pinapeda daw.
Wakoy Sid.
Birdie na nakata kami.
Wala ko si Balhas naman. Bye.
La camera.
Gusto mo mag-swap?
Could see all the animals in trouble.
Padanta ka, Rome.
I'm fine here.
You were going.
Wala ang stampede.
Okay, so the right side plants, leaves, and stems. Fun fact about zebras, they are born with black skin with white stripes. Their stripes have a unique like fingerprints with no two zebras having the same pattern.
What are you?
Yan. Hindi ka kay
Si Juliana, now.
Juliana.
It's slippery.
Ang palda ko balatan log man magtabog ko di gani.
Okay, so please hold on.
Famous last words. Please hold on.
God! Wait lang! Cebu Safari Park, roller coaster.
Kuya, mahulog akong itlog.
Guys, that ends up our African Savannah tour. Okay,
Wala pa rin.
Sleeps tonight in the jungle, the quiet jungle. The lion sleeps tonight. A wimbawit, 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 a wimbawit.
We make a great acapella team.
Mufasa! Kelly!
Ah, si Kelly na? Yay! Ano pretty siya?
Ay, go.
Ito naman sila sa glass.
Yuta.
The fuck? Ay, sorry.
Direkta, di ba latanan?
Balik! Oh my God, wow.
Sadya ako maglagas-lagas.
Kitty cat.
Din si ate. Ang smile. Hi, ate.
They're my favorite. Sa akin ko panda.
Bias kita. Rome is gonna kill you.
Alam ko na na-threaten sa Rome. Oh, that is so racist.
Okay na, Ro.
We are witnessing a battle between
Rom, liwat Rom. Rom, liwat Rom.
Wala ba na? Go na ko na.
Wow.
It's mad. You made the bird mad.
Oh my God. May black swan. Oh my God, Spencer. Spencer.
Paano ka mo?
Oh, it's a pekilan.
Great White Pelican.
Oh my God.
Jello, your corks. Your corks are slippery.
What the fuck?
Moonwalk. Ay, di ka mag-moonwalk.
You're gonna die.
The trick is to incline, you know, you diagonal your legs.
Puta, bugat-bugat.
Save the cameras. Save the cameras.
Bye, birdies.
Hi.
Oh my God!
Fucking close, man.
You're pretty. Ew, you are stinky.
Happy llama, sad llama, mentally disturbed llama, super
ito malabot,
llama,
ang
jama
napaligo ka sa-
llama, big fat jama llama. Happy llama, sad llama, mentally disturbed llama, super jama llama, llama, big fat jama llama. There's a llama there. Hey, Mr. Llama. Tubang di. Hello. Kamakad to. Guys.
Laka.
I saw a llama up
Di siya kabalo mag...
Hi, Mr. Llama. Yeah. Can you take a picture of me? Mr. Llama. Mr. Llama.
iPhone storage full.
Ay, di puta. Hindi na full. Nag-overheat na. Oh no!
Let's fight. Let's fight.
Curtsy.
Let's fight.
Halaging tawag doon sa bata mo.
Talaga tindog sa... What the fuck?
Hello guys.
My phone has overheated.
We are tired, but we want to make the most out of our 1,100 ticket.
We could have arrived 8 a.m.
What would you know?
We did not. Let's not stop gravity. Dumangihi ko, I remember.
So guys, those are
Talaga?
Volkswagen.
Been here.
Grabe nga transition.
Oh.
I'm shaking.
Oy, dinosauro?
Oxygen.
Plants keep dying
No.
because of me.
Water wet.
I don't know
Laon. Oh, Laon. It's Jenny.
Wala na siyang king moonlight.
Ooh, boobs.
Puta, open ng CR. It's open at the top.
I found boobs.
Happy. Heart hands. 1, 2, 3. Okay na. Ta. Marco!
Hello.
Why are you the ones answering?
Why are they holding hands?
Let's send it to Tita Jilvi. Can I have the other cam? That one. Yes. So hi guys.
Oh, you let Justin kagatan run?
Hindi puta padalaga nun. Hindi si Justin.
Wait, naglibot lang ta? Naglibot ha?
Discome ni ate.
What time flight mo plan ito?
Nga hindi baby. Nakita ko na nailangat sa tanay. Baby, ilataw ganay. Pag-word ko kay Jello guys. Oh my God! 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 Oh my God!
No, I do not have the energy for that.
Gago na pala! Oh!
I think my calf is gonna cramp.
Tapa dyan. Pag-word please. Enjoy ko. Two. Di po ta. Di po ta. Mama! Mama! Hindi na.
Ginago.
Hinabi mo? Wait lang po. Okay na? Okay na? Kuya, sorry, wait ka.
Ang mga corners nila.
Ara.
Wow.
Thank you, kuya.
So guys, no, wrong camera. Switch. So guys, that was the end of the trip.
It is the end of our Cebu Safari Park trip for today. This is the last time we're going here. Unless ma-add sila more.
Hippopotamus.
Yeah, like that.
Tulog tanay. Hey guys, we're home. We bought inasal from Taybons.
From Engineer Tebons. And we are home, everyone. Wait lang, kiwi bang ako?
Video tang ina nagkaon.
Ay, naka-video. Hi guys, we are done eating and it's ubos na. Excuse me. That would be all, everyone. See you.
Ngayon, ay natakad to.
Bugs.
Ay, hindi ko na gali kayo memory.